Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix downloads keep failing in Amazon Music. So if your app downloads keep failing, it's usually caused by network issues, storage limits, or app settings. So actually guys, I really advise you at first to check your internet connection because Amazon Music downloads require a stable connection, so just use Wi-Fi for large downloads instead of mobile data. And also just switch off the mobile data and test and avoid weak or spotty networks. Also guys, I do really advise you to enable the download over Wi-Fi or mobile data. So just open your Amazon Music app and then just tap on the profile icon or your profile picture that's located exactly at the top left corner, and after that just go with the settings or the third last option. Okay, so right here all you need to do is the download option, okay, or download settings, and make sure right there that download are allowed on Wi-Fi or mobile data as needed. So to actually visualize the option, I mean download settings, on your settings, you will need to have at first the subscription plan. Okay, so you will need to have the Amazon Music Unlimited or Amazon Music Family. Okay, and also guys, you will need to check the available storage on your phone. Okay, so just go with your device settings and then scroll to the storage general, and here you will find iPhone storage. So you will need to make sure there is enough space for your songs, albums, and as you know, the low storage will cause download failure. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.